I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. South winds continue to gust here around 40 in central Nebraska and 45 to 50 over southwest and eastern Nebraska and northern Kansas through this evening, increasing the fire concerns to critical levels and the possibility of blowing dust, especially for along and south of Highway 30 in Nebraska and northern Kansas. As the cold front moves to the east, scattered rain and thunderstorms are possible tonight through tomorrow. Few of those storms could be severe in the central and east after this evening at 10 with quarter-size hail and wind gusts over 60. A second wave of low pressure may develop more rain over the central and east late tomorrow through tomorrow night. Any rain amounts expected to range from a trace to a tenth of an inch over the west and central to slightly higher amounts in the east. After highs today in the 70s to the low 80s, see those daytime highs drop into the upper 40s to the 50s for tomorrow before a rebound into the 60s for Friday through the weekend. There are multiple chances of more rain and thunderstorms Friday night through Monday. Higher chances right now are Saturday night through Sunday night. The long-term forecast keeps it overall warmer with increasing chances of moisture. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Sunday through Veterans Day on November 11th are likely to be mostly warmer than normal. Above normal rainfall is likely for Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through November 11th, especially the early half of next week. Key weather factors the markets are watching include multiple rain chances moving through the central U.S. that include possibly heavy rain. Soybean planting more on schedule in central Brazil and Argentina with the short-term dry period. A pattern change brings increasing rain chances across the plains and Midwest. 5-day rainfall could reach 1 to 2 inches from the southern plains into the upper Great Lakes, with similar amounts eventually spreading as far east as the lower Mississippi Valley. Warmer than normal temperatures prevail in advance of the unsettled weather approaching the nation's midsection. This weekend, additional widespread rain is expected to develop in the central U.S. That's followed by more rain chances in the nation's midsection the early to middle part of next week. Across the plains, drought is not likely to be eliminated, but some lucky areas could see increasing soil moisture. In central Brazil, continued wet season rains are helping to catch up on delayed soybean planting, which dramatically decreases the chances of soybeans planted late. Southern Brazil expects limited rain the next 2 weeks, but is in good shape with soil moisture. Towards Argentina, drier conditions continue most of this week. After a big boost in soil moisture, rain Thursday through next week in Argentina benefits corn establishment and soybean planting in the next few weeks. Overseas in northeast Spain to northwest Italy, recent heavy rain and some flooding is leading to poor conditions for field work and winter grain establishment. Rain that's more limited in Europe later this week benefits the northwest but leaves the east in need of additional moisture. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of the ag weather.